Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a sheep. This is a sheep. The next one is elephant. This is elephant. The next one is dog. This is dog. A dog. This is a dog. The next one is cow. This is cow. The next one is a duck. This is a duck. The next one is giraffe. This is giraffe. A fox. This is a fox. A deer. This is a deer. Elephant. This is elephant.